Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be setting up our health goals for September, and I've got washi, sticker sheets, and these lovely sticker books. So this month I am going to try to refocus on my eating habits. In particular, just doing more with my meals, meal prepping, and all that good stuff as I shake the whole table and get everything out of focus. So my first goal is going to be meal planning, and then to follow that up, I will be doing the grocery shopping. That's another goal of mine, to make the meal planning happen, and then finally the actual meal prep. All of these things are a struggle for me, and so I'm hoping that by prioritizing them in my goals this month, that I can get my diet back on track, because I've just really kind of got no set boundaries right now for my diet, and it shows in my workouts and just how I'm feeling. So I just want to get that on track. So I'm going to be doing something different at the bottom. I covered that with washi tape, and I'll be setting that up a little bit differently to kind of help me map out how these goals will go. And then I'm going to cover up that weird section, as you see there, with that large sticker, and maybe write in some more stuff there. I'm not real sure exactly what I'm going to put in that today box yet, but I just wanted to drop that in and cover up that section. So I pulled a few stickers to go with those goals, and then I'm going to go ahead and set up the bottom to write in. Basically, it's going to be like action items, how I'm going to achieve the goals. So it's nicely divided up into 3 sections, so we're just going to kind of carry that through. And it'll basically be like step 1, step 2, step 3, since my goals are kind of like 1, 2, 3. You kind of need to do one to move to the next, to move to the next. So that's how I'm going to set it up. Hopefully it will work because I've tried to meal plan and meal prep so many times, and I really just don't like it. I just don't like it. I don't like doing it. I really wish I was just more into cooking and being in the kitchen, but I really just am not. So it's hard for me to focus on it and to make it a priority when I don't enjoy it. So trying to make small steps, small little, attainable goals to help me get there. Maybe I can make it a little bit more fun with the, happy planner somehow. Got that recipe planner. Maybe I can do something to make it cute and fun, and maybe that'll help. Just trying to brainstorm some ideas there, but I'm basically setting up the bottom, like I said, to be more about the action items. So the first part will be about the meal planning, how I'm going to achieve that. The second part, where's the shopping, will be about grocery shopping, and then the last section over there will be for meal prep, which I'm kind of layering some stickers there to make that work for me. And I pulled some cute stickers to kind of illustrate those 3 items, but I didn't want them to show through because they're clear. So I was just whiting that out, and I need to let that dry. So I'm putting in the other stickers while I got a chance to do that, and writing in some stuff here. So here, yeah, like I said, I'm going to put in step 1, 2, 3, basically, to kind of help guide me to my goals. And then, yeah, we'll see what I do with that today box. I'm not sure yet. So I pulled that little plan on it sticker for the meal planning, which I thought was cute. And then the grocery bag for shopping, and like a salad in a bowl to kind of illustrate my meal prep. And just kind of laying those guys in now, trying to make those work. And then I wanted to pull some more food stickers just to kind of help illustrate the fact that it's going to be very food centric this month. Just getting that all on track. And most of the stickers, well, I guess it's not most, but a lot of the functional stickers came from the Essential Planning book. So I found a few things there, and so I'm going to go ahead and write in kind of my outline for achieving my goals this month. Trying to get fired up for this this upcoming month. I just want to kind of see some changes in my body and in my health. Kind of feel like things have gotten a bit stagnant, and I want to feel better. So I know that food is the key, nutrition is the key, so I'm trying to do everything I can to really improve that. And yeah, I just wish there was I need like a game or something to make it fun. I don't know. I struggle with this, you guys. Comment below if you can relate to the meal prep and planning struggles. And yeah, just going to write in a few things here to emphasize my goals. Just kind of map those out. Don't be lazy, super important. And yeah, still not sure what I'm going to do with that today box. I'm going to go ahead and kind of darken up those that lettering, and then basically we'll be done. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below, and go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thanks again for watching, you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye!